sugar. The next thing to add is the rising agent. If I say rising agent, what do we mean? Yeast and what else? These are rising agents.
This is shusha.
Oh, all right, we have added baking powder. In some cases, salt, half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of salt. I'll be making use of 3 whole eggs. This small size you add 4. We are just doing faster. I would have whisked it, but just keep mixing. Adding 1 tin milk. You can go ahead and add powdered milk. This is even optional. Like I said yesterday, I explained to you guys that if you are making commercial and you want to have plenty gain, you are free to leave some. You get it. But I'm telling you that even if it's me, if I'm making commercial, if you are not buying my price, you leave it. My own must have quality, but I have to maintain my own standard. So I must add my milk. So for those of you who want to start it as a business, you can skip this and just make use of the flavor. So why I'm adding this milk first without water is that this is a liquid. If I should finish adding water before this, that means it will be excess. So let's add this as our first liquid. I don't know if you are getting me.
Watch it online now. It's online.
You can check back with Apex. Now in mixing our egg roll, it's not like that donut that you have to hit it. This one is just gentle mixing. Allow it to be rough and crunchy, no problem. Don't do it like donut. As long as it's able to hold, just keep it to relax before frying it. Water can be 1 or more. Because this water I've added now is just 1 cup. It's no more than 1 cup. And you see it, I've already hold because we have added milk already.
Please, can you see Madam sit down where in a class to come? No, she's my friend, so I have to tell her.
They inspire you now. You want us to do oh yeah.
You guys help me with that. Yes. I know they. See your leg.
The dough we made is for egg roll and buns. So we are making use of 6 cups for egg roll, while 2 cups for buns. So how many egg roll will we be getting? 18. Now the kind of buns I want to make, in 1 cup I can get 10 to 15. 10 to 12 or 15 size, the kind of small buns. So since I'm getting 2 cups, I'm making the 2 cups, I can get 20 or 25 or 30 buns. Then this egg roll, I'll be getting 18. But I'm getting 20. I will take from the bones to make it 20. So in this case, you just have to share it. When you're in videos, you come up and do like this. So that you see properly.
Be careful with this oil.
Yes, ma'am. Oh.
See how big this egg is. Swallow it. Do you see it?
Yes.
You can swallow it. The egg is not even small, but yet it covers it. So please try to tight this place.
I want people to be seeing it now. Thank you, yes, thank you.
Try to tight it properly. Is the size not okay?
It's okay.
Don't use this one. That's not. So now we cannot start frying with this thing.
Now it's video.
All the chefs are making video. See as na donut.